Hello children, let us start with the exercise questions from the chapter Comparing Quantities. Here the question number 1 from the exercise 8.1. We want to find the ratio of the following. The first one, ratio of 15 km to 30 km. The question says that speed of a cycle is 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter 30 km per hour. So we want to write 15 is to 30. So we can write 15 by 30 for cancelling 50 by 30, which is equal to 1 by 2. So it can be written as 1 is to 2. Then next 5 meter to 10 kilometer. Here both are in different units. So we want to convert both in one unit by writing 10 kilometer as 10,000 meter. Since 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So 10 kilometer is 10,000 meter. So 5 meter is to 10,000 meter. So we can cancel 5 and 10,000. Then it will become 1 is to 2,000. Then third question from the section 1. 50 paise to rupees 5. 50 paise to rupees 5. So we can convert 50 is to 500 paise, since we know that 1 rupee is 100 paise. So 50 is to 500 paise, which is equal to 1 is to 10. In the next question, we want to convert 3 is to 4 into percentage. So we know that percentage means a fraction by 100. That means 3 by 100 means 3 percentage. 50 by 100 means 50 percentage. So here how we can convert? So 3 by 4. We know that equivalent ratio. So we can convert 4 into 100 by converting 4 into 25. That is 100. So we can multiply 3 into 25. Then 3 into 25 is equal to 75. So the answer is 75 by 100. So 75 by 100 can be written as 75 percentage. The next one, 2 is to 3. That is 2 by 3. So how we can convert into percentage? So here we can write 2 by 3 into 100. Here we can multiply 2 by 3 with 100 by 100. That means 2 into 100 and 3 into 100. Then it becomes 200 by 3 into 100. So we can take 200 by 3. Then 200 by 3 is 66 2 by 3. Then it is divided by 100. So 66 2 by 3 percentage. That is 2 by 3 is 66 2 by 3 percentage. Then third question says that 72 percentage of 25 students are good in mathematics. 72 percentage of 25 students are good in mathematics. Then remaining, that means how many are not good in mathematics? So 72 percentage are good. So remaining we can subtract 72 from 100. So it is 28. So 28 percentage are not good in mathematics. Here 72 percentage of 25. So we can find out 72 percentage of 25. 72 by 100 into 25. Then we can cancel 25 and 100. So it is 4. Then 72 by 4 is 18. That means 18 students are good in mathematics. Total it is given that 25. So 25 minus 18, which is equal to 7. So 7 students are not good in mathematics. This is the way we can find out the number of students if it is given and the percentage are given. Then fourth question. Hey, football won 10 matches. They won 10 matches out of the total matches they played. So we don't know how many matches they played. Let x be the total matches they played. X be the total matches they played, and their win percentage was 40. That means win percentage was 40. So 40 percentage of x, how many matches they won? That means 10 matches they won. That is 40 percentage of x, which is 10. So x into 40 by 100, which is equal to 10. Then we can find out that x is 1000 by 40, that is 25. So x is 25. Total matches they played is 25. They won 10, remaining 15. That is total matches they played is 25. Then fifth question. If Chameli had rupees 600 after spending 75% of her money, that means 75% spent from her total salary, then remaining is 25%. Let it be x be the salary, then 25% of x is equal to 600, since 600 left with that person after spending 75%. Since he spent 75%, remaining 25%, that is equal to 600. That is 25% of x. What is x? X be the salary. 25% of x is 600. That is 25 by 100 into x is equal to 600. Then it is 25 and 100 can be cancelled. It is 4. So what is x? Multiply 4 and 600. So the answer x is 2400. So x is equal to 4 into 600. It is 2400. Next, sixth question from the exercise 8.1. 60% of people like cricket, 30% like football, and remaining like other games. So 60 and 30, 90%, then remaining 10%. So 10% like other games. If the total people are 50 lakhs, find the exact number who like each type of games. So total number is 50 lakh. 50 lakh. So we want to find 60% of 50 lakh, 30% of 50 lakh, and remaining also. So let us find. Here we want to find, that is 60% of 50 lakh. So 60 by 100 into 50 lakh. Then we can cancel 2 zeros. Then how many zeros remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5, 6 are 30. That is 1 times 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So it is 30 lakh. Out of 50 lakh, 30 lakh like cricket. Then out of 50 lakh, how many are like football? So 30%, that means 15 lakh. That is 30 lakh like cricket, 15 lakh like football, then remaining, that is 5 lakh. That is 5 lakh. So let us find out whether its total is 50 lakh. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10. So it is 50 lakh. So remaining it is 5 lakh, 50 lakh like football, 30 lakh like cricket. So we completed the exercise 8.1.